How do you drive growth when teams speak in silos? When alignment breaks, value slows, experience suffers, and growth stalls. Momentum is lost across the organization. This is where the new ITIL comes in, the common language that connects digital product and service management so that teams move, deliver, and grow as one. It aligns teams end to end, unlocking value and driving growth. This is the new ITIL, the global best practice framework for digital product and service management, built on the trust of millions of professionals and over 50,000 organizations, powering 82% of the Fortune 500 for IT service management, and now expanding for every role, for every organization large and small, for all. ITIL, the language of growth. Do you speak ITIL?